Anna and welcome back to another international vegan food series with ingredients from your local international grocery store. Today we are going to be making American pancakes, and I just feel like pancakes have really stood the test of time. All around the world, pancakes come in different shapes, different sizes, different flavors. They can be sweet, they can be savory, they can be thin, they can be thick with 2 C's, but regardless, they are always delicious and they hold a special place in our hearts, or at least they hold a special place in my heart. Whenever I think of pancakes, I think of comfort, I think of togetherness, I think of a peaceful and beautiful Saturday morning or Sunday morning with my family, or even by myself. But even though there are many different kinds of pancakes, we are going to be sticking with the traditional or classical American pancakes that you would think of when you think of the USA. You know, we're gonna be veganizing IHOP pancakes, you know, like those buttery, squishy, and bouncy pancakes that you would see here in America. Okay, now I'll stop rambling and let's see what I made. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. I really hope you are enjoying this series in general. I really love creating all these recipes. I am really excited whenever I make these kinds of videos, and I know this is only my second one, but yeah, I just want to let you know that I'm really happy making these videos. And if you have any requests for recipes or a certain country that you want me to veganize recipes from, let me know in the comment section down below. And also, if you're here for the first time ever, hello and welcome to our little banana family. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and there is a little notification bell that you can turn on so you never miss my videos, because YouTube has changed things around. Now, if you want to see videos from your favorite YouTubers, you need to turn on the notification bell. If not, you will never get notifications and I will just disappear and go into YouTube limbo. But yeah, I love you and I will see you in my next video.